In the grand theater of digital currencies, our eyes are often glued to a single, mesmerizing number, the price. We watch tickers flash green and red, charting the dramatic rise and fall of coins on global exchanges. This focus on price is understandable. It's a simple metric, a quick way to gauge success or failure in a world that moves at lightning speed. It tells a story of fortunes made and lost, of speculation and high-stakes bets. But this story, as thrilling as it may be, is incomplete. It misses the very soul of what this technology was meant to build. It overlooks the revolution happening not on the trading charts, but in the hands of everyday people. Enter the story of Pi Network. Since its inception, it has captured the imagination of millions around the globe, creating one of the largest and most engaged communities in the digital currency space. Yet, the most common question that echoes across forums and social media is deceptively simple. What is the price of Pi? Or when will Pi be listed on an exchange? It's a paradox. People join a network designed to be different, only to try and measure it with the old familiar yardstick of speculative market price. Pi's strategy is a deliberate one, aimed at shifting the focus from speculation to utility. The first and most important pillar supporting the true value of Pi Network is utility. In the simplest terms, utility is the answer to the question, what can I do with this? When you can use your Pi to purchase a cup of coffee, pay for a freelance service, or help you acquire a new skill, the currency becomes a part of your daily life. Pi's vision is to create a vast peer-to-peer marketplace where Pi is the medium of exchange. Think of it like building a new city. You don't start by opening a stock market for the city's land deeds. You start by building roads, houses, shops, parks, and schools. You create places for people to live, work, and connect. In a small town in Vietnam, a woman who bakes specialty cakes began accepting Pi as payment. Her first customers were fellow pioneers from her local community. Soon, word spread through Pi chat groups, and she was receiving orders from people in nearby cities. Across the globe in Nigeria, a young graphic designer found himself struggling to find clients through conventional freelance platforms. He decided to offer his services on a Pi-powered marketplace app, and was soon inundated with requests from pioneers in Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Consider another example from the Philippines, where a group of farmers organized a local cooperative. They used Pi to trade among themselves for seeds, tools, and fresh produce, creating a small, self-sustaining circular economy within their community. The second pillar that gives Pi its unique value is stake. By choosing to lock up a portion of their Pi for a set period, users are making a long-term commitment to the network's success. This contributes to a more stable market environment by reducing the amount of Pi in immediate circulation. When you have locked up your Pi, you are no longer a passive bystander. You are now more invested in the quality of apps being built and the overall health of the community. The third, and perhaps most dynamic pillar of Pi Network's value is its community. The sheer scale of Pi's community is a value proposition in itself, creating a powerful network effect where each new member makes the network more valuable for everyone else. This peer-to-peer support system creates a strong sense of solidarity and shared purpose, transforming the user experience from a solitary activity into a collective journey. Furthermore, a large and active community is a crucible for innovation. It's a massive built-in audience for developers and entrepreneurs looking to build Pi apps. During the development of the Pi KYC solution, they developed a system where pioneers who had already passed KYC could become validators, helping to verify the identities of others from their own country. Thousands of pioneers volunteered their time to become validators, motivated by a desire to help the network progress. In many regions, experienced pioneers have taken it upon themselves to become unofficial ambassadors, creating content in their native languages to explain complex topics. This decentralized education network ensures that knowledge is accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background or language. True value is a three-legged stool, resting firmly on the pillars of utility, stake, and community. Utility is the foundation. It is the real-world usefulness that turns a digital token into a tool for commerce and empowerment. Therefore, the ultimate call to action is to shift our perspective. Let us stop asking, "What is the price?" and start asking, "What is the value?" The future of money will be built on the unshakable foundation of real human connection and shared trust, a future that Pi Network and its pioneers are striving to build every single day.